Hey yo, what's up guys? Welcome back. So today we're going to go to another NorCal racing event. It's just 30K followers through Instagram. And there's about like 15 car clubs that are going to go meet at this meet. So it's going to be a big one. We may be a little late, but with the parking we should be fine. So yeah, I'll see y'all there. If I see anything on the way, I'll let you see it. Alright, talk to y'all soon. So saw like one car that's pulling up next to us right now. It's a sick little Camaro. I think it's a CL1, but it's burnt orange. Probably see it like right there. Creeping up barely. I think he's reading the plate. I'm like, this thing is quiet as hell. It's a silent N. Oxymoron of the plate. Let's see if he gets any closer. Alright, just went by. They're right up there. There's a GT 5.0 GT. Unfortunate, I thought we could. I just got cut off by this CRV in front of us. So it kind of really slowed me down, and I just kind of sped by. Yo, I don't know if the camera picked this up, but there's like crazy fog, like chilling like right over the like swampy area outside SF. It's kind of like spooky, like horror movie vibes. That's all. I've always been a fan of GTOs. And there's this blue 6.0 liter right next to us. It's like the 2008 model, like the 5th gen or whatever. Let's see if we can get him to, let's see if he pulls up. They're pretty sick. They're like the sleepers of car meets. You might be able to see him back there. So there was a Blueberry Patrol on the right. San Mateo Bridge. It's a nice day. It's only 67. It'll be like probably 72. Good time for short weather. Got the legs out. And here comes LS. So I just want to get like him rolling by. They look so sick. They're super aggressive looking for that bubble look too. That looks super nice. Alright, that's all I got for now. See you at the... There are so many cars already here. All throughout here. There's some right here. There's a couple behind us. And then there's this guy. The right-hand drive Honda. This dude's sick. Yeah, there's a lot of people already here pulling up. Well, so we get for being late. You can see them all right over there, right over there. Yeah, we'll see what what the future holds. I can hear cars, and this meet's like half a mile away. The choppy coming from this car. That thing sounds insane. That thing sounds awesome. Can't go wrong with American Muscle. This is a here. That car sounds pretty fucking insane. So sick. This is gonna be a sick meet. They're over there. We're parked all the way down there. All the cars over there. But yeah, see how it looks. I'm probably just gonna keep the camera on for right now so y'all can see. Stance Boys, Challenger, a yellow MR2. It's clean. Actual unicorn. And I just found out I can zoom with this thing, so see how the quality looks with that. If it still holds stabilization to it. Safe to say there's a lot of cars here, so. Alright, we're under shade. The homie Lester picked it up. Huh? But we're helping watch his booth right now. Yeah, just helping around. We're hanging out with Lester at Low Times Pizza Fresh. He got us into the show, so some of the cars that'll be there, and then our car will be there. And we're just waiting for the next person to come over to the booth, and then we'll go walk around looking at cars. Now we're heading out. We're hanging out with Lester. Some of the cars here are crazy. We got bikes. Design Pro is supposed to do the wrap for our car. Auto Design Pro has like one of the best wraps. These guys have been trying to find a parking spot for like an hour. There's probably 800 cars here. Alright, so Off the Line Racing's here. Those are the homies too. So this meet was supposed to go to 4, apparently it's only going to 145 because of the safety issues across the street with cars trying to get here from off the freeway. They're blocking off a lot of shit. Back pocket.
Ooh.
That's why I was checking here.
That's just my cake.
Dude, there's a lot back there.
I do squat.
Hell yeah.
Don't play with me.
Just bounce on it. Are you recording? I'm recording.
I'm posting that. Caught in 4K, guys.
Yeah.
Y'all heard him.
That wasn't
sexual
me.
harassment coming on. That's my sexual harassment.
Yeah. Look at these guys, 5K group over here. There's so many cars. I didn't even get through everything, but it looks like it's about to end pretty soon, so just because of safety precautions. And now Justin's leaving, Takagi GTR is leaving. While he rolls out, one little corner of his car. This video's on the house, Justin, that I'm doing for you, okay? Your best bet is to, Justin, best bet is to go out there. I used to collect these when I was little.
Let yourself go, slow and low, that is the tempo. Let yourself go, slow and low, that is
Alright, we're gonna listen to cars a bit now. Cam sounds so good.
Bro, I was laughing when they started spinning it.
Yeah. Oh, they're doing a sideshow?
And that's how the crowd came. Only like four people.
Yeah.
Not crazy.
Well, they're probably got, dude, there's like, that plane is literally for this.
Oh, really?
That's a radar.
That's what I thought like 4 planes were coming down.
It's been circle around, it's like a plane. But those are like, that's what the radar ones look like. Just like that.
How you been, bro?
Good, man. How have you been?
Yeah. It's been a long time. It was like 6 months, huh?
No way.
We saw you at
It had
In-N-Out?
been less.
Yeah,
In-N-Out parking lot.
It was the
It was like 3-4 months,
yeah,
right?
it was the two midnight Skodas ago.
Yeah,
It was the midnight. Yeah.
midnight. Big midnight.
That one was fun.
So panicked when you did that. Bro, that was...
Dude, that 3D printed spoiler.
Do it.
I thought
Like, yeah, when you see the all black and launch, can you turn the sirens on? Wait, sorry, what did you say? Oh, you tell him when I tell the cop when he sees my car, can you turn the sirens on? I have like the least intimidating car.
Why is it not more cops?
They're on every exit.
They are.
So they're not letting anyone in. And then there's so he's here. That means there's a cop down there.
Yeah.
There's one over there. There's one on the freeways too. Yeah. There's probably like at least 15 posted up.
fuck me, then you know it's fuck 'em all. If it's up in the field, ain't no calling time out. So be careful when you slide the crackers, get the time out.
They got buggies out here too. There's hella people that's lined up for people leaving. You can see them all. There's tons of people just chilling out here. Yeah, lots of people. But yeah, we're heading out, so we'll find the next meet. We always find a way to get with all the muscle. He's got beadlocks on there. That thing's crazy. We're gonna be driving with these cars. That's gonna be kind of concerning. These cars are so their buildings are here. That's cool. The more you know. Yeah, the Sony corporate office is right there. That's cool. Just had lunch. We're driving with the friends to go look at cars in the wild on Lombard Street. Wonder if I can get Tony. Oh my god, that is crazy. Yeah. I want to get one more of Tony now. Can't go that way. This Jeep is kind of killing the vibe. Always a nice drive now on Embarcadero Street. The bay over there, the Bay Bridge up there. Nice little scenery. Some awesome cars. Crazy RTR. Sick. I used to always want like a 92, 95 Impala. So seeing that car was super like, little me would have been super stoked. It might be not the... Tony, why'd you take me to a spot that's like 20 degrees colder than where we just were?
Yeah, I know.
I gotta go get my pants on. Pinos. Pinos. I'm gonna go cruise to the next spot. Tony and Christina and their family are going to be going home, so we'll be hanging out with some other friends. It was a fun time. Just a chill spot, hanging out with some lowriders and some muscle cars. You know, the 4-cylinder, trying to be cool with the big boys. Yeah. Well, let's you know on the next one if you see anything on the way. Okay, peace. Dude, the clean air vehicle buses have air suspension. You can see like look at that. And look at that back tire. They've got air suspension, air kits. That's sick. You hear it? It just did. It just dropped. Look at the bags, dude. They're on bags. I want to drop it. I did not know they're on bags. Bag suspension kits. That's so crazy. All right, so we're driving through SF right now, Embarcadero. Not being loud and obnoxious at all. Yeah, SF is a cool spot just overall. It's got a lot of atmosphere. Good people too. Bad people as well. But overall, it's more fun than anything. If you like city skylines, it's got that. Let's take you guys a little, so you guys can see it a little bit. A little bit of the cityscape. We're literally gonna hop on the freeway like right around the corner, but so you can see a little bit of nice city. You can see the Bay Bridge. Back there. McLaren pulled up to the beat. The Lawrence Hill Research Area in the Bay. There it is. You get a nice little overlook of SF in the Bay Area in particular. It's a pretty cool spot. But we're here mainly because we have a meet with friends with cars. 510 Beamer hosted a meet, and so we got a bunch of cars lined up here. Our car's all the way back over there. There's a Porsche, there's a McLaren here earlier. Miata's just pulling up. Look at Miata. There's a Hyundai Sonata N-Line. Those things are quick. Lots of 8.6s. There's another N, 2023, the pre-facelift N. Got an AP1 chilling over there. EM1, this is my started moving cars. 2 RSXs chilling here too. 5.0. Homie 510 Beamer.
Yeah.
Always hosts fire meets. I'll put his Instagram on. I'll get you guys on his Instagram. So if you're in the Bay Area, hang out with him. He takes sick killer photos too. NSX all red. Yeah, that's the meet. We're probably gonna head out soon and get some rest. So we got a big day tomorrow. Dude, say bye to the only VIP build. The VIP build's fire, man. Looks good. Yeah. See the chandelier back there? That thing's sick, done right. And it's static, so bright LED.
All right, what's up, everybody? So that does it for it today. It was super fun.
The car, that license plate makes a huge difference.
Makes a huge difference. I love it. But yeah, now it's getting ready to go for a big trip to SoCal. And been here for this long. Sure to like, comment, subscribe. So catch you next one. See you guys.
Sitting in this comfort in my work has got me fucked up.
Slow down.
Swear to God, I'm about to lose my mind and hit the
Go down.
work and go to sleep, wake up, repeat, that's how it
Goes now.
8 p.m. or something, I don't know, this town's a joke. Got some cantaloupes and natural calm, I think I'll be alright. I'll write a section for my blessings, what I got and what I don't. Should probably lay down, close my eyes around 11, probably won't. Cause I stress too much, like I'm obsessed with it. I swear anxiety's my bitch and I'ma undress it. Or maybe address it, fuck it, I talk about it too much. Summer went by way too quick, 2 days turned into 2 months. It's hot as fucking September, pounding in my left tempo. Cause this bed sucks, I would probably give my left nut to be stress-free. On an island in the sea, on a jet ski with a breeze flowing through my teeth. On a beach, sipping tea under the trees. Sometimes I think about what if and I forget about what isn't. I swear it's like I'm locked inside my mind in a prison. I'ma shine, I don't give a shit, I'll just learn to deal with it. This room is cold and dark and man, I really just ain't feeling it. But Call of Duty helps me pass the time until I get back. If you're trying to 1v1, you probably need to sit back. Who I used to be, carefree, man, I miss that. Shout out to my past, current me, here's a diss track. Fuck you stupid panic disorder, you hypochondriac. Life is too short to be missing out. I used to smoke and laugh after work, sitting in my car to the sunlight. Rolling up to hit the Xbox, feeling alright. Yeah, shoot for the stars, right? How can I reach them when gravity just hits me broadside? Fuck it, I'm diving into the summit. Maybe I'll make it through and say it wasn't so bad, was it? So I thought about a hook, but I said fuck it, I'ma write it out. Good job, good friends, tell me what's to cry about. Copenhagen on my mind, I guess I'm about to give in. That shit been with me every single lyric that I've written. I guess it's a part of me, yes, it's a problem. It's a battle with some demons, man, I wonder how I got them. I've been at the bottom, I've been full throttle. Need to slow it down a little bit, Ferrari to me out of this office that I'm sitting in, a home away from home. No, I in team, but I would rather sit alone and daydream of what happens when you up and leave your castle to another country. But I wonder, is it worth the hassle? It wasn't, maybe it was, yeah, I don't know exactly. I was searching for some artificial things to make me happy, but I'm glad I did it. I found peace for a minute, I've been feeling empty, yeah, but fuck it, I'ma keep living.
You